Hello and welcome to the paper aeroplane flying competition thing. Okay, so plane number 1 we have is called the chicken. Mainly because it's like the rest, which are all like birds, but this one, it can't fly. And it looks pretty crap too. Alright, so let's film it in action. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Wow,
That is what you would call an absolute fail. I concede that if nothing else beats this, we are crap at making paper aeroplanes. Right, so option number 2 is from Harrison, and this one is called...
that one.
Yeah.
This one is called Turbo Boost.
Why?
Well, it's the best one I've ever had. And let's see how good it is. I don't even know if it's the best one yet. Woo!
If you cannot see that, it is over there.
Behind
Well
the-
done. Now, this is Concorde, mainly because it's like a Concorde. Now, let's film this one in action. This is quite good, by the way. It's very quick. Take it.
Yes, okay.
Let me get this right.
Wow! He went all the
That's
way
fine.
there.
Oh, why is it too downhill? You stink. Oh. Yeah? Alright, we gotta go to bed now, so bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I made 4 paper aeroplanes, 5 make that. 6 make that.